Good afternoon and welcome back to Brochure's Adventures, and today I am in the city of Nazca, or the small town of Nazca actually, here out in the desert of Peru, and my voice is a little off, but I hope you can bear with me. But this town is known for the famous Nazca lines, so I'm going to take the classic flight over the Nazca lines now. It's about 35 minutes and I paid $96 US, so I'm going to enjoy this. I've been waiting to do this for a long time, since I saw it on TV when I was a kid. Well, we made it to the tarmac where we're going to take some pictures with the pilot and the plane before we take off.
Okay, remember the winds are your reference, okay, to find the fuel. Okay, please relax and enjoy the flight, okay? Everybody with your seatbelts and the head.
Although the flight goes very quickly, it is amazing to see how these designs on the desert floor have lasted through the centuries. Thank you for watching this video. Smash the like and subscribe button below. If you want to see more content, ring the little bell icon to get notified for my newest videos. And you can click on the side over there to see some of my previous videos. Safe travels and never stop adventuring.